Alright, fellow adventurers, get ready to step into a world unlike anything you've ever seen before. Imagine a time when the ground trembled beneath the feet of giants and the skies echoed with the calls of ancient creatures. This is the dawn of the dinosaurs. A chapter in Earth's history that's as mysterious as it is magnificent. Let's journey back in time, to when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Picture yourself surrounded by towering beasts, some as tall as buildings, others as swift as the wind. The world was wild, untamed, and full of surprises at every turn. For 180 million years, these incredible creatures dominated a world of giant ferns, strange insects, and shifting continents. The land was constantly changing. Mountains rose and fell, seas appeared and vanished, and the climate swung from steamy jungles to arid deserts. The continents themselves were on the move, slowly drifting apart, shaping the habitats where dinosaurs would thrive and evolve. Volcanic eruptions and meteor impacts made this a planet in constant motion. Studying dinosaurs is like being a detective for Earth's past. Every fossil is a clue to our planet's story. Each bone, footprint, or tooth tells us about how these animals lived, what they ate, and even how they cared for their young. Fossils can reveal family groups, hunting strategies, and even the colors and textures of dinosaur skin. It's a puzzle that scientists are still piecing together today. These weren't just movie monsters, they were real animals, facing challenges, adapting and evolving. Some were fierce hunters, while others traveled in herds for protection. They built nests, migrated across continents, and survived in harsh environments. Their world was nothing like ours. No grassy fields, just vast forests of towering conifers and giant ferns. The air was thick with humidity, and the ground was often muddy and tangled with roots. By exploring their world, we glimpse a lost ecosystem on an epic scale. Every plant, insect, and animal played a role in this ancient drama, creating a web of life that was both fragile and fierce. Our adventure will take us through the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods, each with its own unique cast of dinosaurs. We'll meet terrifying predators, colossal plant eaters, and discover how these creatures adapted to survive in a world that was always changing. We'll also uncover the dramatic events that shaped their fate, from massive volcanic eruptions to the asteroid impact that ended their reign, and even tackle the mystery of dinosaur biology. Ready? Let's go exploring. The Age of Dinosaurs awaits, full of secrets just waiting to be discovered. The Age of Dinosaurs is really the Mesozoic Era, a massive chapter in Earth's history from 252 to 66 million years ago. Scientists divide it into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each period lasted millions of years and saw dramatic changes, continents drifting, climates shifting, and new creatures evolving. The Triassic was the beginning, with small, quick dinosaurs sharing the world with other reptiles. The Jurassic was the main event. Giant dinosaurs roamed lush forests. The Cretaceous was the grand finale, with incredible diversity and some of the most famous dinosaurs. Understanding these periods helps us unlock the secrets of dinosaur evolution. When paleontologists find a fossil, the first question is, which period is it from? Remember, Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous, our map to the lost world. Our adventure begins in the Triassic period, after a mass extinction left Earth a blank canvas. The supercontinent Pangaea dominated, with a hot, dry climate and tough, hardy plants. Early dinosaurs were small, fast, and agile, like Eoraptor, a nimble meat-eater hunting insects. They were just one group among many strange reptiles competing for survival. The Triassic skies saw the first pterosaurs, while rivers teemed with crocodile-like phytosaurs. Dinosaurs were underdogs, but their adaptability set the stage for their rise. As the Triassic ended, another extinction event wiped out many rivals. Dinosaurs survived and thrived, ready to take over the world. The Triassic was their starting point, the first chapter in their epic story. Next stop, the Jurassic, where dinosaurs become giants. Welcome to the Jurassic period, when dinosaurs reached gigantic proportions. Pangaea was breaking apart, creating lush forests and new coastlines. This was the age of sauropods, Brachiosaurus towering like a giraffe, and Diplodocus with its whip-like tail. These giants moved in herds, shaking the ground and towering over the landscape. Predators like Allosaurus hunted in packs, while Stegosaurus defended itself with bony plates and a spiked tail. The Jurassic world teemed with life, giant marine reptiles in the oceans, pterosaurs soaring above, dinosaurs diversified into stunning shapes and sizes, It was a stable, thriving world where dinosaurs were kings. The Jurassic was truly the golden age of dinosaurs, but even greater diversity awaited in the Cretaceous. The Cretaceous period, the longest of the three, saw continents drifting toward their modern positions. Dinosaurs evolved in isolation, leading to incredible diversity. Flowering plants appeared, transforming landscapes and diets. This was the era of T-Rex, the mighty predator, and Triceratops, the horned defender. Hadrosaurs, like Parasaurolophus, used crests for communication. Pterosaurs like Quetzalcoatlus soared with airplane-sized wingspans. But 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth, causing global devastation. The resulting extinction wiped out the dinosaurs and most life on Earth. The Age of Dinosaurs ended in a dramatic, catastrophic event. Were dinosaurs warm-blooded or cold-blooded? This question has fascinated scientists and dinosaur enthusiasts for generations, and it's not just a matter of trivia, it completely changes how we imagine these ancient giants living, moving, and surviving in their prehistoric world. It's a question that changes everything about how we picture them. If dinosaurs were cold-blooded like modern reptiles, they would have been sluggish, relying on the sun to warm up and unable to thrive in cooler climates. But if they were warm-blooded, they could have been fast, active, and able to live in a much wider range of environments. Cold-blooded animals, or ectotherms, depend on the environment for heat. They need to bask in the sun to get moving and slow down when it's cold. This limits where and how they can live. Warm-blooded animals, or endotherms, generate their own body heat. This allows them to stay active even in chilly weather, hunt at dawn or dusk, and survive in places where reptiles simply couldn't. For decades, dinosaurs were thought to be slow, cold-blooded reptiles, lumbering through swamps and basking in the sun like giant lizards. This image dominated textbooks and museums for much of the 20th century, but then, paleontologists started finding dinosaur fossils in polar regions, places that would have been cold and dark for months at a time, and evidence of fast, agile hunters like Velociraptor began to challenge the old view. Many scientists now believe dinosaurs were somewhere in between, what's called mesotherms. These animals could generate some of their own heat, but not as consistently as mammals or birds. This would have given them a unique edge, allowing them to adapt to a variety of climates and lifestyles. Large sauropods, for example, may have used their massive size to retain heat, much like modern elephants do, helping them stay warm even in cooler environments. Meanwhile, active predators like raptors and tyrannosaurs were likely more warm-blooded, giving them the energy and speed needed to chase down prey. The debate continues, with new discoveries and techniques constantly reshaping our understanding, but one thing's clear. Dinosaurs were far more complex than we ever imagined. Their bodies, behaviors, and adaptations reveal a story of survival and innovation. Their unique biology helped them thrive for over 160 million years, enduring dramatic changes in climate, geography, and competition. Studying this mystery doesn't just tell us about dinosaurs. It reveals how life itself can adapt and flourish in unexpected ways. The truth is, dinosaurs broke the rules. They were pioneers of their time, and their story is still being written with every new fossil we find. Let's meet the top predators of the Mesozoic, a time when the world was ruled by giants and danger lurked at every turn. These carnivores were the ultimate hunters, dominating their prehistoric landscapes with power, intelligence, and specialized adaptations. Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of the Cretaceous, was one of the most formidable predators to ever walk the earth. With a massive skull, bone-crushing jaws, and teeth the size of bananas, T-Rex could bite through bone with ease. Standing over 12 feet tall at the hips and stretching up to 40 feet long, it was a true giant. Its keen sense of smell and powerful legs made it both a fearsome hunter and a skilled scavenger. Allosaurus, the apex predator of the Jurassic, was built for speed and agility. Unlike the solitary T-Rex, Allosaurus may have hunted in coordinated groups, using teamwork to take down even the largest prey. Its sharp claws and flexible jaws allowed it to deliver swift, slashing attacks, making it a terror of its time. Velociraptor, often misrepresented in movies, was actually much smaller, about the size of a turkey. Covered in feathers, it was swift, cunning, and used its deadly sickle-shaped claw to pin down prey. Velociraptors likely hunted in packs, relying on intelligence and cooperation to survive in a harsh world. Each carnivore was perfectly adapted to its environment, T-Rex for raw power and crushing force, Allosaurus for speed and teamwork, Velociraptor for agility and cleverness. Their unique traits allowed them to thrive in different periods and ecosystems, shaping the world around them. These predators weren't mindless monsters, they were highly evolved hunters, each with specialized senses and behaviors. Their eyes faced forward for depth perception, their teeth were designed for tearing flesh, and their brains were sharp enough to outwit their prey. Their fossils reveal the drama of prehistoric life. Every day was a struggle for survival, with epic battles between predator and prey. Bite marks on bones and fossilized footprints tell stories of chases, ambushes, and the constant fight to stay alive. Studying these ancient hunters gives us a window into ancient ecosystems, helping us understand how life evolved and adapted over millions of years. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle of Earth's distant past. Carnivores played a crucial role in shaping the world of dinosaurs, keeping populations in check and maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Without them, the world of the dinosaurs would have looked very different. They were nature's ultimate hunters, perfectly engineered by evolution to dominate their world. Their legacy is written in the rocks and bones they left behind, and their legacy still fascinates us today, inspiring scientists, artists, and dinosaur lovers everywhere to keep searching for answers about these mighty carnivores of the past. Plant-eating dinosaurs were the backbone of the Mesozoic world. Triceratops, with its 3 horns and massive frill, defended itself from predators like T-Rex. Its beak and shearing teeth made it a powerful plant eater, likely traveling in herds for safety. Stegosaurus from the Jurassic sported 2 rows of bony plates and a spiked tail, mainly for display and defense. Brachiosaurus, a giant sauropod, used its long neck to reach treetop leaves, towering above other dinosaurs. These herbivores developed unique ways to find food and stay safe. Their size, armor, and social behavior were key to their survival. They shaped the landscape, spreading seeds and maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Without them, the world of dinosaurs wouldn't have thrived. They were the gentle giants and armored tanks of prehistory. Why do dinosaurs matter? Because their story is the story of our planet. They show us how life adapts, thrives, and sometimes vanishes. Every fossil is a clue to evolution, extinction, and ancient environments. Paleontology connects biology, geology, and chemistry to reveal Earth's past. Dinosaurs aren't completely gone, birds are their living descendants. Every robin or pigeon is a modern-day dinosaur, a link to the ancient world. Dinosaurs spark curiosity and inspire scientific discovery. Their story reminds us that Earth is always changing and we're just one chapter. Keep exploring, the adventure never ends.